Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, colors are often represented using the RGB, red, green, blue, color model. Each color component is typically represented by an integer value ranging from 0 to 255. To convert an RGB color to a single integer, Java uses a combination of bitwise operations to pack these three color components into a single 32-bit integer. Understanding RGB to integer conversion. In the RGB model, the red component occupies the highest 8 bits, from bit 24 to bit 31. The green component occupies the next 8 bits, from bit 16 to bit 23. The blue component occupies the next 8 bits, from bit 8 to bit 15. The lowest 8 bits can be used for the alpha channel, transparency, but if not needed, it can be set to 255, opaque. The formula to convert RGB to an integer is as follows. Here is the left shift operator, which shifts the bits of the number to the left by the specified number of positions. Code example, RGB to integer conversion. Here is a simple Java program that demonstrates how to convert RGB values to an integer. Explanation of the code. 1 Method definition. The RGB to int method takes 3 parameters, red, green, and blue, which are the RGB components. 2 Input validation. It checks if the RGB values are within the valid range, 0 to 255. If not, it throws an illegal argument exception. 3 Bitwise operations. It combines the RGB values using bitwise left shifts and the bitwise OR operator to pack them into a single integer. 4 Main method. Defines example RGB values, in this case, bright red. Calls the RGB to int method to get the corresponding integer. Prints the output, displaying both decimal and hexadecimal representations. Output. When you run the provided code, you should see the following output. Conclusion. This tutorial demonstrates how to convert RGB values to an integer in Java using bitwise operations. This method is efficient and commonly used in graphics programming and applications where colors need to be represented compactly. Remember to validate input values to ensure they fall within the expected range.